Mariel, umupo ka sa upuan.
Nang matapos ang lahat ng mga love task, nagkiusap ni Kuya si Mariel.
Alam ko na sa mga nagdaang mga araw, ay marami kang pinagdaanan. Ang iyong love tasks na matagumpay mong nagawa.
Thank you.
Kaya, bilang reward, ay mayroon ako pinapunta. Bibigyan lamang kita, Mariel, ng 100 segundo para dito. Bisita, maaari ka na to kaya?
No! Wait.
My time to love you.
I didn't even dress up well. I'm wearing gross clothes. Pero okay lang yan.
Under my umbrella, you could stand under my umbrella.
I don't want to go back
Mariel,
anymore. Yeah.
maaari ka na
I don't want to go back na, Kuya.
These fancy things.
Why are you shaking?
Mariel,
Papa.
kailangan mo na magpaalam sa aking bisita.
Good night. Oh my God. Ouch. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you.
Felt its cry.
Oh my God. I want to go na.
And your heart, your eyes, when the sunshine will shine together. Told you I'll be
But thank you, sobrang thank you.
always be.
It means the world to me. Thank you.